Hello guys, let's try correlation filters. So correlation filters, they check equality condition for service bus message property. In this video, let's create subscription S1 with correlation filter for user property city is equal to Mumbai. It means S1 will receive only those messages with property city is equal to Mumbai. And finally, let's send filtered message on above criteria and check if it's delivered to S1. We are in Azure portal. I have opened this topic, that is first topic, and you can see there are no subscription in this topic. So let's create S1 from Visual Studio C#. We are in Visual Studio and we are in program.cs file. So first we have installed the required NuGet package, then connection string to connect to that topic, then topic name, then we created service bus client and service bus sender. So now guys, we are well aware about this code. Now we will first create service bus admin client, and then using service bus admin client we will create subscription S1 with filter. So let's do that. So I will say where admin client is equal to new service bus administration client. To this let's provide this connection string. Okay, and now first let's create subscription create options for this S1. So I'll say where S1 details is equal to new create subscription options. To this let's provide the topic name and then this subscription name that it's S1. Now let's create that correlation filter rule. So I'll say where S1 rule is equal to new create rule options. Let's give name. So I'll say again S1 rule. Now say new correlation filter. Now under this, as we are creating this filter for user property city is equal to Mumbai, so we will have say application properties is equal to, under that I will say city Mumbai. So now that will create a correlation filter, that is S1 rule, such that it will accept the messages with user property city provided and value should be Mumbai. And now let's actually create that subscription S1. So I will say await admin client dot create subscription async. To this let's provide this S1 details and then this S1 rule. So that's it guys. Let's save our program. Let's add a debugger on line number 26 and let's run. Our debugger has been hit. That means subscription S1 with filter must be created. Let's cross check. Let's go here. Let's say refresh. If I go down, see it shows subscription S1, and if I open it, let's see filter is there. See this S1 rule, and if I open it, see it's correlation filter with user property city is equal to Mumbai. Now let's cross check if message gets delivered to S1. So let's try to send message to this topic. So again let's go to the topic, let's go to Service Bus Explorer. Now send messages, and I have entered this message. Now if we send this message, it won't be delivered to S1, because to make it delivered to S1 we need to provide user property as well, that is city is equal to Mumbai. So let's do that. So let's go to broker property, custom property, add custom property. I will say city, provide value Mumbai, and let's send it. Message sent. Let's go to overview. Let's check it in S1. See S1 says message count 1. Let's open it. Service Bus Explorer. pick from start. If I open this message, see, we can see the message, and if I open message property, I can see the property city is equal to Mumbai as well.